Welcome back to the shop. Tonight we're going to work on a Husqavarna chainsaw. First thing I'm going to do, just to make it easier to maneuver the bar or the saw, is I'm going to take the bar and chain off. One of the first things I like to do is give the saw a good overlook before we get started. Here you can see the brake handle's gone. I don't know how well you can see it, but that sprocket has quite a bit of wear. The kill switch is completely gone. Next thing we'll do is we'll try to start the saw. Alright, we can't get nothing. So the next thing we'll do is we're going to open it up where we can get to the plug, see if we got any fire. With that switch being gone, we don't know what's been done under there. Next we'll disconnect this and put a spark tester on it and see what we got. See if we got any spark. Oh, we got ignition, my friends. But it won't stay running. So open it up and look at that air filter.
It just goes to show. You never know.
More flavor than can fit on a plate with our world famous baby backs. Jalapeno cheddar sausage, barbecue chicken, just 3 sides. It's a meat lover's dream.
It ain't bad. It ain't good. But it ain't bad. So next I think what we'll do is we'll check the fuel. Let's see what the fuel looks like and how much trash is in the fuel. Now while we're waiting on that fuel to settle out so we can inspect it, we'll go ahead and inspect the inside of this tank and the fuel line while we're at it. Check the fuel line while we're here. Yeah. Fuel line's a little soft. Fuel filter looks clean. The line does feel mighty soft. I think we may go ahead and replace that. A little bit of trash and a little bit of water in the side of that fuel. Not overly bad, but it is there. While we got it here, we're going to go ahead and take that carb off. See if we can clean it good. Make sure there ain't no trash or residue inside that carb. Alright, we got the carb off of it. It's got an old Tilliston carb. So we'll open it up, see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, I've opened up the carburetor and it looks pretty clean, but since we got it apart, I'm going to go ahead and blow it out with some cleaner. Inspect that cylinder, make sure it looks good. Then I'm going to pick up some fuel line and put on, and I believe that's going to fix our problem. That fuel line's pretty soft. So let's get started. We've cleaned the carb. One of the things I noticed while I was inspecting the tank and the filter is that the line's spongy inside. It might not be our only problem, but it is going to be part of the problem, so we're going to go ahead and replace that line. Got her to run, but figured out the coil wire's bad. We'll have to check that out. Alright, since we know we need a coil, we got another one of these machines that's got a used one. So we're going to try it and see if it's any good. If so, that'll save the customer a little bit of money. Alright, we've put the coil on it. We got the new fuel line installed. Let's see if we got a, let's see if she'll crank.
I really want to make a difference.
I'd definitely say that's a success. We'll finish putting her together. Let's try her out and see what we got. I'd say that's a success, folks.